That's so funny. Pokemon cards. Yes, awesome. Welcome to Aiden's Alvin channel. Today we're going to see, it's Boxing Day. Today we're going to see what toys they have. My name is Aiden and this is my little brother Alvin. Make sure to like and subscribe. Let's go and get, wow, Phil, there's a big box in this package. Thank you, Daddy. Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, boys.
I will bring it to the table. And Larry! Help us open this big bad boy! Yeah, big bad boy! I do it! Oh, let me say 3, 2, 1, oh. Whoa! Box in a box? That's so funny! I'm Larry, open it, help us open it again! Box in a box! Box in a box. Wow! This big bad boy. This looks like a card. Help us open it, Auntie Larry. Yeah! Okay, that's it. Whoa, let's open it. 1, 2, 3. Oh, it's Pokemon cards! Yes, awesome! Wow! Wow!
Can you show us your Pokemon cards?
This is legendary. It has a legendary pack like this one. And this is Dragonoid. Wow! It's a legendary Pokemon. It has legendary packs. And I think it also comes with a deck. Hey, it has a big card. Wow,
Can you
that's
put it here?
super duper big. Look how big is this card. Wow, it's even shaking. Oh, and a coin. It comes with a coin. Ready to open? Here's whoa! The spy case for my spy case. That's so awesome. Let's bring it out of the plastic bag. What do you want to open first?
What is this, boys?
This is a spy case for Ryan. Yeah. Wow. Ryan helped create. Yeah, Ryan helped create it. We also have a channel. Okay, which one do you open first, Elvin? This one. This one. Okay. And I open this box. Yeah. Open this box for Elvin. Open open this. Okay. Also this Ryan. Then what's inside? I'm not actually show them what's inside. But I'm actually show you inside. No. Okay, open it. Wow. How to open this thing? I don't know. See that? Whoa, there's a green button. A key. A key. Got a key. Oh, maybe it's the code for this. Let's see the code. What is the code? Wait.
Hey, you to explain what are you doing right
Oh,
now?
I'm looking at the code. It says Ryan. R-Y-A-N. Where is this? Yes. I think we should open these blind bags first. What? How are we going to figure this out? Punch them. I can't open them. I'm supposed to punch them, but it's not working. And Flora, help us open these bags. We also can take them. Maybe super Kaladiva. Oh, it's open. It's open. Oh, our key. What?
Okay, boys, show us what you got.
We got some
You have to show your. You have to show your audience what you got. You have to show your audience like this, right?
Wow, it has all for Ryan. Just like the
Okay, tell us what it is.
It's Spy Ryan. It's the main character from Super Spy Ryan show. If you never watched it before, check on Ryan's show. It's Alpha. Maybe this is Alpha Nexa. Alpha Nexa is from the Thingiverse. If you haven't watched the Thingiverse yet, you should like and watch their channel if you want. I'm right. It's by Alpha Nexa. Wow. We need the key again. Oh, the key here. Key's here. I see Gus. I see Gus. I think we can see Gus. Maybe we can open this thing. I can't open it. Oh, tape. There's tape. There's tape. There's tape. I don't know how much. That's tape. There's the tape is big surprise. Okay, this is like one more big surprise. This must be. Let's see what it is. Mommy, help us open it. Help us open it. I want to show it to the audience. And it has Ryan's signature name. Oh, tape. Let me open this. I'll spell that. That's G-U. Is it G-U?
Uh-huh.
G-U-S. Gus?
Yes.
This inside code. What's this? Oh, only Camilla with Ryan. So it says Ryan. Oh, and then it's we don't need this. Right? We don't need this. It's a Ryan walking up. Flashlight! What? Oh, batteries? Oh, we need batteries for this flashlight. Oh, and the spy walkie-talkie.
Is that it? Is that all the stuff we got?
No, we got more. Look, there's a code. This is like a code breaker. Let's open this. Hi. What are you want to do? Stickers! Ryan! Oh, and a big line bag. Mommy, how do I open this thing?
Yeah, you just put it on like a watch.
Oh, but I don't know how to put stuff on a watch like this.
Uh-huh. Yeah, we can do it later.
Yeah, we don't need it.
Okay, is that all the toys we got?
Yeah.
Okay, all right.
And there's a code breaker too. Maybe they'll put it back everything in. I'm gonna also store everything in. I can also. I want console breaker, please. But we're not doing it. Okay, I just put it back inside. I want to read a Super Spy. For finishing watching our video. Please like and subscribe and watch our second, third, fourth video where I open my Pokemon cards and play and look and see if I can get any good cards.